Nothing would have been created if it was not loved. Wisdom 11:24. In all of creation, in all of time, and in every part of your being, the most amazing truth is this: you are one with God. You are the I Am, the core of awareness. You are the Creator. This is the mystery, the great secret that wise people and spiritual leaders have known for ages. But this truth isn't something you can fully understand with just your mind. Who is this you? It's not simply you as a person like John Jones or Mary Smith. It's the deeper awareness that knows you are John or Mary. It is the greater, deeper, limitless part of you. It is within you. It is you. It shapes your world. This truth is the foundation of the law of assumption, the idea that your reality is shaped by what you believe about yourself. It's the core of this entire book. You can't fully understand this truth just by thinking about it or arguing over it. You can only feel it and be aware of it. When you start to feel this truth, a deep respect fills you. You live with a constant sense of reverence, knowing that your Creator is your own deepest self, and that you were created out of love fills you with devotion and awe. Simply looking at the world around you, even for a moment, can fill you with wonder and a sense of worship. The closer you feel to God, the richer your life becomes. Our deepest feelings are often the hardest to express, and in the moments of greatest reverence, silence is the truest form of praise.